How to start your YouTube channel as a small and broke artist. So if you do not have a device that you can record with, well, you actually do. The device you use to watch YouTube or watching this video, you can use it to record your artwork. Recording audio and visuals should be separate if you're using a phone or a laptop, because when you're recording a visual with an audio together, the quality isn't as good. So the best thing you can do is record voiceovers. When recording voiceovers, you should be watching the videos at the same time so that the audio matches up with the visual recording. And if you're doing voiceovers, you shouldn't just take content out of your mind, because it's most probably jumbled up, so you should use a plan sheet. Another thing that you can do is use basic sketches. Basic sketches will help other artists who watch your video, and if you do them, it shows your process, and if other people are trying to learn, they can copy your process. I'm using a plan sheet to do this voiceover. Another way to grow your channel is to participate in trending art challenges. So if you do a video that other YouTubers are doing, but you title it a little differently so it's not the exact same title, it will pop up. So, but you should not name it the exact same name, because then it will be lost under the popular creator you are copying. Use social media to grow your art channel. TikTok is a really good one because your video gets out to more people than actually YouTube. Because so if your video is at least 15 seconds and people scroll through a video that's 15 seconds, they scroll through about 50 without even knowing it, and within the 50 they find yours. And if you link your YouTube channel to it, 1 out of, let's say, 100 people who go visit your page will actually go to your YouTube channel. It might not be the fastest way to grow, but it will. And if you need references to draw, Pinterest is the great app. So a way to find your art style, you can use DTIYS, which is drawing your style. So you won't exactly be copying the artwork, but you'll be drawing it in a way that you think looks better or looks good in your eyes. So that is a way to find your art style. So when doing voiceovers, you shouldn't just do your voice pure like that. You need to have some ambience in the background, like background music. Good places to get background music, if you Google non-copyright music, and you can use those. But if you use the music, you have to credit them, because if you don't credit them, you can be charged for using the music. Also, if you are making an artwork that is inspired by another creator or an artist, you need to give them credit as well, because it's not right to copy another YouTuber who creates his artwork without giving them any credit. If you grow your channel with the tips I've given you before, you create a small fan base, and when you create a small fan base, you can promote other small YouTuber artists, because when you do that, you are actually promoting yourself. So you promote other small YouTuber artists, and if they find out, they'll promote you. So after you've grown subscribers, and there are people who have less subscribers than you, and you promote them, they will promote you back. Most of them wouldn't, if they actually like you. So even if your channel's not growing at first and it's slow, doesn't mean that it's not working. You have to give it time, because the YouTube algorithm is, even if they wouldn't like to admit it, is against small YouTubers, as you don't see small YouTubers come up on your recommended page unless you're searching for niches that not many people do. So if you are creating a channel, you should be frequent, because if you are frequent, it will help the algorithm know that you are not just playing around and posting random videos, but in fact using a system. So using a system is a good way. You should also look at the trending hashtags not only on the YouTube platform, but also the Instagram and TikTok platform, because when you use those hashtags even in your YouTube videos, it will get it to more people. If you have trouble with drawing poses, you can use apps like Magic Pose and download it on your phone. And if you have trouble choosing colors, there's an app called Pigment app. So basically, you shouldn't not create another YouTube channel or whatever YouTube channel because you don't have the right equipment. If you have a phone that has a camera and can record audio, then that's everything you need. You just need to get like a piece of paper, a pencil, and you can draw. Even if it's not like the best drawing, it's still teaching and providing value. Because even if you're drawing something wrong, people who see that you're drawing the wrong thing will learn that that's wrong, and they'll see that it doesn't look right. So even if they don't know it, they're gonna learn from it, and indirectly they will know that they're learning from you, and it will help you grow. So yeah, just follow these tips.